morning, everybody. Today is going to be a driving day. We have about 4 or 5 hour drive to Kanlaon Regional Park here in Negros Occidental, and we've been granted exclusive access to go hike up some part of the Mount Kanlaon, maybe to the base camp, and we'll see how far we can actually allow to go. We have a lot of driving to do today, and then perhaps we'll stop on the way, because I got some really cool messages from you guys that I should stop at there's like a monkey sanctuary and some coffee shops on the way. So let's do some pit stops and then head over to Kanlaon. Alright, we're saying goodbye to old Sagay with one of the most colorful barangays I've ever seen. Beautiful spot, beautiful spot. Let's go. I like the tricycles here, all painted in yellow. I think it's the harvesting season. So friendly. That's awesome. Yeah. So what? These guys, they work hard. Mad respect to these guys. Mad respect. Monkey sanctuary. Let's go check that out. Whoa. Alright, we made it to the barangay of Pakmuhaya, and this is the monkey sanctuary. There are monkeys roaming around. I can see them. There's 2 running. Perhaps we should eat the breakfast coffee and the bakery before they come. It's so good. Okay. I'm afraid they're gonna take my GoPro. Shit, there's 2. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all coming. Wow. They're on the bike. Oh, they jump on my bike. Next one.
Your bread.
He wants my bread?
Yeah.
Can I give it to him? There you go. Oh, the big monkey, take it. Oops. Sharing is caring. Yeah. So good. All right, drink my coffee. Let me say hi to the monkeys. I better watch the GoPro. Ma'am, will they take my GoPro? Yes, they will take my GoPro.
No.
They will not take it. That would be pretty cool. Now this place is about 1 hour drive from San Carlos City, and if you come here, it's very easy to find on Google Maps. And if you come here, just make sure you don't have anything loose, don't have your phone out, and don't try to, you know, touch them or grab them, because that's how they bite back. Fortunately, one monkey there has lost a leg and an arm, but there's so many of them. And the entrance fee, only 10 pesos. Now they're all just chilling there, checking their fur, scratching, itching. I think they're trying to get their fleas out or something. Oh, look at that baby monkey riding him. Ooh. Very chilled monkeys. We had some coffee and bread, but I think we're gonna go continue our way to Kanlaon. Maybe make a pit stop in San Carlos, catch early lunch. Get on my bike. He's taking my coins. You monkey. He's taking all my coins. He's eating my coins. Ate. He's taking my coins. So funny. They cannot eat it. They cannot eat my coins. It's okay. They can have it. They can have it. Maybe you guys will find it later. Guys, they ate my coins. Why? Oh, they use it for playing. Ah, okay. That's funny. Oi! See, they're playing. Yeah.
You put the inside this.
They put it in their mouth. Look at that. That's so funny, guys. I never expected them to take my coins, but I've been worried about my wallet and my phone. But yeah, they just play around with the coins. Look at this.
You put the coins this.
Oh yeah, into the neck.
They play in.
That's so funny.
Like that. So big. There are coins this.
Alright, I might have lost a little bit of coins, but that's just fine. If we can have some fun and laughs about it, that's all good. Alright, let's go. Alright, made it to San Carlos. We're gonna catch a lunch over here. I am starving. I've eaten here before. The chicken in asada. It's amazing. Food has arrived. We got some pork and chicken in a cell. It's one of my favorite. You use the chilies, calamansi and some soya to mix the sauce. And now the moment of truth, the chicken in Negros. It's so juicy. It's not dry. It's perfect, flavorful, tasty. So good. And now we're gonna refill our water. Always have your tumbler with you guys. You save so much money on it long term, and of course reduce the plastic use. Good for everybody. Refill station. Now as I was about to leave, I noticed something here, guys. This one here, I believe it's a triton snail, and this one is a natural predator for the crown of thorns, and it's just being used here as for the paper thing. This one is protected, and it's illegal to buy this and hunt. This is such an important snail for the environment. He kills the crown of thorns. A little bit sad to be seeing that here. So if you ever see that being sold somewhere, don't buy it, please. This is the one we need to protect. This is the good guy right here. All right, we're gonna go up the mountain, a little bit longer road because there's a little bit mild temperature, about 33 degrees Celsius. So we want to go up into the mountain and drive in a little bit cool temperature to Kanlaon. This is it, guys. We're going to Mount Kanlaon. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Baby doll heads and a Mountain Dew bottle. That's so funny. Let's get a petrol. We're now probably 1,000 meters above. We're probably around 1,000 meters above sea level with this breathtaking view. I've come here a couple of times before because of the views and amazing coffee here in Negros. I as well want to get a mango shake because I'm a little bit thirsty. This coffee is absolutely amazing. It has that burnt dark flavor to it. Alright, 1 hour drive to Kanlaon. Check this out, guys. There's a beautiful river here, a bunch of buffaloes or carabaos, and then there's a cave. Uh-oh! Bit rough road out. Welcome to Kanlaon City. FC building. This is where we stayed the last time. Let's see if they have a room. Hey guys. Do you have a room available? Yes. Do you remember me?
Yes.
We got access to the mountain now. So we're hiking tomorrow. Very nice room, about 72 times better than the last one. Clean, smells good, aircon, TV, huge bed, even a balcony. Very nice. Alright, let's meet up with the team, see what's up, and plan for tomorrow. Alright, a couple of hours later, we met up with the team that's gonna be with us tomorrow doing the mountaineering. Ever since I came to the Philippines, this has been the mountain that I want to go the most. And even though we're not gonna go to the top, we're able to see some epic scenery. So I'm so excited. I'm probably not gonna fall asleep tonight because of that, but we're gonna start off early. And it's been a blasted day driving here, meeting a bunch of people. The monkey sanctuary stole all my coins. But yeah, that is it for now. We'll see you in the morning. It's gonna be an epic day. Fingers crossed we're gonna get the permission and the access. But it's likely, but we'll see. Until next time, peace out.